How to create a club in Strava. Now in order to create a club in Strava, just simply open your Strava app and tap to this groups option. And once you tap in there, you'll see the button of get started. Tap to get started after selecting the club section, and after you tap in there, you just simply need to choose the sport which is based on your club. For example, let's select all sports and tap to next button. And once that, it will ask you how to describe your club. You can just simply choose 3 different tags, choose the tag suits your club and tap to next button. And once you do that, you just simply need to enter club's name and a description for your club. And you can also upload a profile photo for your club and tap to next button. Then you can choose to make it private or public. For example, let's just make it private for now and tap to next button again. And you can make this club global, or you can pick a specific location for the club location and tap to create a club. Like this, you can very easily create a club in Strava. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.